Okay, I'm about to do another Magix Movie Edit Pro 2013 Plus tutorial, and this addresses a question that was posted in the comments on YouTube by Nature at its Best 12, and she wants to know how to make a 4:3 video into a 16:9 video using the new Magix Movie Edit Pro, because she had the older versions and the newer version is kind of throwing her off and she needs a little help. So here it goes. We're going to bring up Magix Movie Edit Pro and try to do that now. Okay, so I've launched Magix Movie Edit Pro 2013 Plus, and now I'm going to make sure that the active movie resolution is 16:9. The first thing you do is go into File on the menu and go to Settings, go to Movie, and make sure that you got 16:9. The number of tracks should default to 32 and the audio sample rate 48,000 is fine. Now go down here and pick, if you're in the United States anyway, you want to use NTSC, so just go down and pick a 16:9 format. I'm going to pick 720p. I got that set in, and I'm going to click OK. So I got 720p and 16:9. Alright, so now that's the active movie resolution. Now let's bring in the movie. So I'm going to go over here and drag in my 4:3 movie into my 16:9 resolution. Now it says the active movie resolution is 1280 by 720, which is 16:9, and that's what we set. But our movie has a resolution of 640 by 480, which is 4:3. So the movie I'm trying to import has a different resolution. So I'm going to say don't adjust. I don't want to adjust the movie. I want to leave it just like it is. So don't adjust. Now I brought it in. Now if you look at the movie, you'll see the 4:3 format is now placed into the resolution, which is 720p 16:9. Now what we want to do is simply crop this video to be 16:9. So what we'll do is go up to Effects, the Effects tab right here, go down to Movement Effects, pick Camera Zoom, and here's all the stuff for camera zoom right here, but all we're going to do is use this marquee, which is in the video monitor. Just take this marquee, which is already 16:9, and just make it fit your movie. Now when you play the movie, you'll see it's 16:9 with no borders. Now maybe the subjects are a little far away and you'd like to be a little closer. You can use this same effect, camera zoom, to also zoom in by just changing the marquee, pick the part you want. Now when you play it, you'll see you're in closer. But do remember, the more you zoom in, the less definition you're getting. It won't be as crisp. But there's usually a compromise. And I figured this was a good compromise. So now that you've got that done, all you got to do is export it. So you can go to File, Export, File, come down to Export Movie. I think I'm going to use MPEG. That's my favorite one. You can use whatever you want. The important thing is once you get in to the export window, make sure you're exporting it as a 16:9. And you can see right here that that's what I've got picked. I've got the 720p resolution, 1280 by 720, and the frame rate is 29.97, and it's 16:9, and it's also standard 2D. That's important. You want to have standard 2D. We're not doing a 3D movie. So that's basically all you need to do. And this export selected range I usually leave on because I've got my range markers here and over here at the beginning and end of the movie. But if you wanted to just get a section, you can move those markers and pick up the section. But I'm just going to leave that on. You can take it off if you want. And that's it. Now you just click OK and export the movie. Make sure you know where it's going. Here's the path. For me, it's just going on my P drive right here. So it'll be easy to find. And this is the title. If you want to change it, you can. Now click OK. And the movie will begin exporting. Okay, the movie is done exporting now. And we should be able to take a look at it. So here it is. It's on my P drive right there. There is the title. And if we play it, I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button. But I assure you it isn't 16:9. But that's it. We're all done. And I hope this is helpful. And if you have any more questions, just leave a comment under the movie. Thank you.